Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a delegate from your Gmail account. If you've previously given someone access to manage your inbox and now need to revoke that permission, this process will help you do that quickly and securely. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to Gmail's login page. Once you're there, sign into your Gmail account by entering your email address and clicking Next. You'll then be prompted to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. Then click Next again to access your inbox. Now that you're logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on this icon, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All Settings. This will open the full settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your Gmail account. In the settings menu, you'll notice several tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Accounts and Import. This section contains all the tools you need to manage email forwarding, import settings, and most importantly for our task today, delegate access to your account. Within the Accounts and Import section, scroll down until you find the area titled Grant Access to your account. This is where Gmail lists anyone who currently has delegate access to manage your inbox. Take a moment to review the list and locate the specific delegate you want to remove. Once you've identified the delegate you wish to revoke access from, look for the Delete button next to their email address. Click Delete to initiate the removal process. A confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to verify that you want to remove this delegate's access. This is an important security step to prevent accidental removals, so make sure you've selected the correct person before proceeding. In the confirmation dialog, click OK to finalize the removal. Gmail will immediately revoke that person's access to your account, meaning they'll no longer be able to read, send, or manage emails on your behalf. After confirming, take a quick look back at the Grant Access to your account section to verify that the delegate's email address no longer appears in the list. This confirms that the removal was successful and your account security has been updated accordingly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.